When adding or subtracting decimals, the golden rule is to make sure the decimal points are directly beneath each other. So the first thing we're going to do when we're going to add these three decimal numbers is to put 3 decimal points directly underneath each other. The second thing is we then fill the numbers in exactly the format that they're given in the question. So we write 5 before the decimal point and the 0.83 after the decimal point. The second one, we're going to put a 0 before the decimal point and a 7 after decimal point. And in the last one, we're going to write in the 4 before the decimal point. Then we're going to write the 3 digits after it, 6, 7, 2. Now you'll notice we have some blank spaces. We have 3 columns after decimal point in the last figure. So if we go to the one immediately above that with the 7, we're going to put 2 zeros after that, after the 7. So that becomes 0.700. And if we go up the top row, it's only got 2 figures, so we put a 0 in the third place. Now we have columns which are directly underneath each other and all the columns are full. So we now just add the columns up. If we have 2 plus the 2 zeros is 2, 3 plus the 7 is 0, or 10, we put down the 0, carry the 1. Now the 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 is 14, and 8 is 22, so we put down the 2. We're now back to the decimal point. We put in our decimal point, again directly underneath the other decimal points, carry the 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6, and 5 is 11, so we put down the 11. It's very simple. It's exactly the same as addition, except that before you start the addition part of the problem, make sure you have all the figures in their correct column, which occurs when you put the decimal points in the columns first before writing in the rest of the numbers.